Hi, thanks again for watching another EWI video. My name is Greg Aganowski. I'm the founder and CEO of EcoWash Industries. Today's a good one. If you've been researching this industry, you've been shopping around, you're looking at all these different systems, this is one that probably doesn't look very familiar. This is a brand new XL300, specially designed for the 300-gallon trash cans. It's the first of its kind here in the US. This customer reached out to us saying, hey, I've been shopping around, no other vendor could make this system for us, but I have opportunity with a city who's having problems with these big containers. In the 300-gallon can, it's a big container. This is equivalent to like a 2 cubic yard dumpster. They're still out there, and cities and solid waste companies are, they rarely maintain them because there's no easier way to clean them, but manually wash them, put them on their side, but they're huge. At some point, when these containers get out of hand and they've been sitting out there way too long without being maintained, they create public hazard, environmental hazard, and they're forced to maintain and figure out how to clean these up. And this city has somewhere over 13,000 trash containers, 300-gallon trash containers sitting out there in the field that need maintenance. EWI takes great pride in helping this industry move forward to help us become normal in the trash business. We've helped evolve the dumpster maintenance for this service throughout the country. I think it's very important to look the part, not be limited when you're first starting out. Make sure you could do all of what might be requested if the opportunity presents itself amongst the city, in which maintenance of containers is a real thing, people. If you're out there and you're thinking about doing this business, this is just a quick glimpse of what the city workers are having to do, and this is why we're such a high demand in helping that service. We do it faster, cheaper, and more efficient.
I'm one of three of us that do this, but we do everything. We do.
Yeah, you do all the maintenance.
Well, we do it all.
Yeah, but to take this off your hands, you can just paint it well.
Yeah, so we don't have to worry about this crap right there.
Whether it's residential can cleaning and maintenance or dumpsters, we've done all the dirty work. We're one of the only companies who have gone out and procured our own municipalities, and we want to train and coach, teach you what's worked for us and what hasn't. Our Kickstarter package gives you the best value to help you start your business, guaranteed. Again, please visit ecowashindustries.com if you haven't yet already, or feel free to give us a call if you'd like to learn more, 480-789-0931. Once again, my name is Greg Aganowski. I really do appreciate your time. Make it a great day.